So in this video, I'll be discussing our team's outcome 2, which is our SM14 ART station pedestrian crossing to EMA Exchange Event Center. So if I run the program, and we set up this for the simulation where the machine vision camera will have detected at least one person and a weight of more than 20 kilograms. So assuming the person or two persons has a total weight of 131 kilograms, and they presses the pedestrian button. It goes into the normal state from the reset state as the pedestrian button is pressed. And now in the traffic controller, we see that it is waiting for 60 seconds. So after the pedestrian button has been pressed, and then it will go into the cross mode. So if I speed up the simulation pacing to about 2 times faster, it goes into the cross mode, and in the light controller it goes from V green to V amber and then O red. So all of this takes 3 seconds each and 9 seconds total. So it stays in pedestrian green for quite a while. Now let's tone down the pedestrian timing back to 1. So the simulation pacing to 1. Now it goes back to vehicle green as the pedestrian has crossed, which has a crossing time of, the crossing time of the normal one, which is 20 seconds with 9 additional seconds as transition time for V red to V green. Now let's say that the pedestrian has visual impairment or reduced mobility, and they press and hold the button. And it goes into the extended mode. So in the extended mode, when it goes to cross, it will take the second option, the second condition, to go back. So it will have an additional 10 seconds for the pedestrian to cross the road. So to speed this up, now we're turning back down. Alright, so the third scenario is when there is a lot of people offloading from the train. They have just arrived at the station and it is a peak hour, so there are a lot of pedestrians at the curb waiting. So if we trigger the weight sensor and the machine vision camera, we change the slider to more than 8 people and the weight of more than 700 kilograms. Now it detects, but since there is no button pressed, it will not go into any of the state yet, and there will not be any crossing, as this is the quick clearance feature, as this is also a fail-safe, whereas if people are just walking past the weight sensor and the camera picks up, it wouldn't give them the crossing immediately. So if let's say now they press the pedestrian button, so there are more than 7 people or more than 8 people at the curb, they press the button. Now the traffic controller would immediately give them the green light to cross. So this is the quick clearance feature, and this is in our cooldown timer machine. So in this state, I will explain that why do we need 3 states, because the first state is when there is no, is in idle, so it's free, so nothing is happening. And when the trigger, which is the weight sensor, is more than 700 kilograms, it goes into the priority, which is 1. And after that, when the pedestrian has started crossing, which is a feedback loop, it goes into the cooldown mode, and the quick clearance is back to 0, so that it doesn't re-trigger the traffic controller. And when the pedestrian has finished crossing, it will go into the cooldown of 120 seconds before going back, so that it doesn't clog up the traffic. So that is all for our outcome 2 quick vlog.